Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable call after car crash on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. And on the settings page, just need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to SOS. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you selected SOS, scroll down, locate crash detection, and then should say call after severe crash. Click on that. Now to disable call after severe crash or call after car crash, just go ahead and turn this off. Then spot that says turn off call after severe crash. Turning this off will prevent your Apple Watch from automatically connecting you with emergency services after a severe car crash is detected. Then just read through and then go ahead and click on turn off. And then you should say call after severe crash disabled. So that's exactly how to disable call after car crash on Apple Watch 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.